What new power does the Savior bring to souls damaged by sin?
Behold, a virgin shall be with child, and shall bring forth a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is, God with us. That Christ may dwell in your hearts by faith, that ye being rooted and grounded in love.
When you come to Jesus for deliverance from slavery to sin, He promises to be with you, to help you throughout the rest of your life. Not only can Jesus save you from the penalty of sin, but He also can save you from the power of sin in your life. Just exactly how God is able to do this, how Jesus was able to become like us to save you, and then dwell in your heart to give you the power to follow His example, is a great mystery. Now you see why the Bible calls it the mystery of godliness.